Hi guys, Bulldog Tech here. Another technical video. In this video I'll show you how to download the Microsoft Windows terminal. First thing you need to do is if you hit the start button, head over to Windows Store. If you click on the search, type in Windows Terminal, hit enter, and it's the first one we see to the left. If we click that, then if you click on install, it's only about 5 megs, so it'll take a couple of seconds depending on your internet speed. Okay, that's it. So we can either launch it from the button here, or we're going to launch it from the button down here. And there we go, that's it. Microsoft are releasing an update on this. They are going to change the colours, change the screen layout to a CRT to LCD type backgrounds. So on the next slide I'll show you a few previews of that, so enjoy.